Ultimea Apollo S90 Ultra Soundbar. Main features are Ultimea 9.1 channel surround sound system with Dolby Atmos, 2 rear speakers, 6.5-inch wireless subwoofer, RGB light, app, detachable surround sound system for home theater, peak power 470 watts, HDMI eARC, Apollo S90. Surround X and Dolby Atmos. Wired directly to the subwoofer for ultra-stable performance, the rear speakers deliver an immersive, room-filling soundstage. Combined with Surround X and Dolby Atmos, the system elevates audio to new heights, with sound enveloping you from all directions, even from above. One split into 3, sound changes with shape. The TV soundbar features an independent vocal unit and advanced 20-degree waveguide technology, enhancing clarity for news broadcasts. It supports 4 selectable sound modes and offers 4 flexible placement options, making it perfect for everything from home theaters to gaming setups. Smart app control for intuitive audio adjustments. The surround sound system for smart TV tailor your audio experience like never before with the Ultimea app. It offers 121 expert EQ presets across genres like bass, pop, classical, and rock, plus 10-band and 6 tailored EQ modes including movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night. With the advanced Customize feature, you can fine-tune your sound to match your exact preferences. RGB Lighting Entertainment Soundbar. The RGB lighting of Apollo S90 can adjust the brightness and color. 6 preset modes, including party, movie, music, etc., for an unparalleled immersive sound and visual experience.